Pinkfong. Baby Shark Boulevard.
Baby Shark, it's your first time in New York City. How are you feeling? You're so excited. What should we do first? You want to go to the park? All right, Baby Shark, let's go to Central Park.
Got to say you understand. What an answer.
Hi, Baby Shark.
This is so much better than going into a code room. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
This is Baby Shark's first time in New York City.
Oh, wow. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to New York.
But first I had to ask you, because we're here to celebrate Baby Shark's 10th anniversary, some piece of advice, something simple, what would you tell 10-year-old you?
Oh, wow.
Follow your heart.
Follow
Yes.
your heart, that's such a good one. Baby Shark believes in following his heart too.
To never give up.
Never give up. Come on.
Perseverance is
Yeah.
key. Yeah.
Never
yeah.
stop swimming, right?
Yeah, never stop swimming. Yeah, never stop swimming. That's
Never
right.
stop swimming, yeah. I'm gonna ask you if you could please choose one of these games.
Okay. I think my watch was trying to find it.
Fold the paper.
Oh, fold the paper.
I'm going to fold the beach towel up like a piece of paper
Okay.
and see how small we can get it with you still standing on it.
Oh man, my kids are gonna have a good time with this. All right, ready? Oh, what? Okay. I can still fit.
Yeah, we can still fit. Okay, can we fit?
Okay. All right, let's do this.
Maybe we'll have to go on your tippy toes.
Okay, okay.
This is like
Tippy toes.
Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Amazing. Should we try for one more?
Oh, we can
We'll fold it this way to give you the advantage.
We got this.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Ready? All right. We got this.
You got this.
And go. Like the Baby Shark. Dance in the rain. There you go. Dance in the rain. Woo! Dance in the rain. Woo! All right.
All right, go in for the final stage.
All right, baby. You got this?
You got it.
I'm holding you up
Okay.
behind you.
Just you want to
Got
hold
it. Yep. Got
All
it.
right.
Got it. Got it.
Hold. Hold. Hold.
Yay!
Yay!
Great job. You did amazing.
Welcome to New York, Baby Shark.
Thank you.
Baby Shark Boulevard.
Yay!
Yay!
Hi, I live here in New York. I also live here, but I go to school in Canada.
Are you ladies ready to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, so pick one out from here.
It's like a
Find
Baby Shark.
So
What
cute.
you're going to do is
Yay.
put it on your face like this, and then you have to spin around 3 times, and Baby Shark will hide, and you have to find Baby Shark.
Okay, I go now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2,
No?
Now what?
You look for Baby Shark through the hole.
Oh, with the hat on?
Yeah.
Oh, girl. Okay. What if I fall into the fountain? What if I fall into the fountain? Is he moving? Is he moving?
Yeah, he's moving. He's moving relentlessly.
Okay, wait, hold my bag.
Okay.
It's getting serious.
It's getting really serious. She's not very good at this.
Dude,
To your right. Forward. To your left. To your right. That's your left. That's your front. That's your front. There you go.
I found him.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Baby Shark! Baby Shark Boulevard!
Baby Shark, how did you enjoy your day at Central Park? You loved it. What about meeting all of your fans today? It was amazing. So many people loved you. Baby Shark, are you ready to go see some more fun adventures in New York? No. Hey, baby. Wait, don't run so fast. There's so many things to do today. I'll even let you pick the next activity. You can pick. What do you want to do next? What is that, Baby Shark? Oh, it's art. Baby Shark, we're here. We made it to the Met. You like this environment? I know, it's amazing. Oh, you want to go in? Remember, we're here on business. So, I'll make you a deal. We're here today to celebrate Baby Shark's 10th anniversary.
Oh, Baby Shark.
So, my friends, we wanted to know if you'd play a game with us.
So the game is Shake It Up, Number Up.
Shake it up, number up. We're gonna give you some pedometers, and we want to see who gets the most steps in during their dance.
Ooh, I'm kind of nervous.
Me too.
Okay. We're gonna play a. All right. Is everyone ready? Ready, Baby Shark?
Yeah.
Okay. Start.
Yes, Baby Shark, birthday, Baby Shark, birthday, Baby Shark, birthday, Baby Shark,
Oh my God.
Baby Shark, birthday,
Oh yeah.
Baby Shark.
Oh yeah.
Baby Shark, Baby Shark, birthday, Baby Shark, birthday.
Pedometers and see who's the winner.
That one?
Our first
I think I won.
contestant has 26 steps. 26 steps. Okay.
He got it.
Let's see what yours
I think I won that.
113 steps.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's yours?
Queen, yep.
Okay.
What's yours?
Queen, yep. Yes, Baby Shark, Baby Shark, birthday, Baby
Okay.
What's yours?
Queen, yep.
209. Yes. Okay.
That has to be
Okay,
edited.
Baby Shark. Let's see. Baby Shark has 64 steps.
Yeah.
Baby Shark, birthday.
Good job.
Okay, so the winner is our queen. Yes. Amazing job.
Baby Shark
Perfect job. Thank you so so much. It'll be on Baby Shark YouTube channel this summer.
Is it Pinkfong?
Yes.
It is Pinkfong? Oh my god!
Okay, I got all those candids.
I am here, I was just on business, and now I'm meeting my family here for some play.
So we have a mission to complete today. If you can correctly name the works of art, then the mission will be complete and Baby Shark is free to go join the Met Museum today.
Oh no, I'm the wrong person for this job, I'm sorry. Just warning you ahead of time, but I'll try my best, Baby Shark.
Okay, here is our first work of art.
That's a piece of art in the Met. Pass.
Pass. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, that's the famous guy screaming. Is that a Van Gogh? Or is it a... oh, okay. Screaming Man. Screaming Man.
Scream Man, that's pretty close actually, but...
Sorry. Sorry. Mermaid Wonderland. I'm sorry, and it's also starting to rain. That sucks even more for you. Oh, that's Mona Lisa. Okay.
Mona Lisa, yay! Baby Shark, we're gonna actually get our work done today.
Okay, that's Starry Night. I know that one.
Starry Night, okay, that was amazing. You did get 2 of them right, but unfortunately we have failed the mission, Baby Shark. Back to work.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But you're doing a great job, and you're making all these people smile. So keep at it.
Yeah, Baby Shark is sad because he failed his mission today. Aww. That's why he's crying. Superstar Baby Shark, how was today? Aww. Baby Shark, the rest? Our poor little superstar. Well, besides that, what did you think about New York? Oh, you loved it. Oh, it's time to reveal your fun gauge for today. Today, you only reached 2 stars. 2 stars. Oh.
Happy birthday, Baby Shark!
Okay, Baby Shark, you don't have to feel too sad. We have one more scheduled activity where you can still try and fill up your fun gauge. Yeah, how do you feel now? Do you feel better? Okay, let's make time for one more activity.
Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Search for Pinkfong on YouTube!